Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. During the Thanksgiving family party, my brother decided to sit on our kitchen island and he broke the particle board. Let's do some research and figure out if we can repair this. The plan is to use the workshop glue and sawdust with Vancouver Carpenter's Epoxy. I have epoxy from my ski repairs and I have a bunch of wood glue, but I don't have any sawdust, but I've gotten some from Home Depot for free. Let's go pick it up. We are back from Home Depot and they do still give us free sawdust. Here is another closer look. I didn't record the person giving me sawdust because I always ask for their permission and they did not want to be recorded. Let's get everything set up. Here is where we are at. I ended up epoxying everything together. If it holds, great. If not, then I have to destroy this and this anyways. The epoxy is at least 5 years old and it's kind of melting the outside. Don't know if I should throw those away. I'm probably gonna keep them. Now I'm going to use the wood glue and sawdust to bulk fill everything. I pressed in the wood glue and sawdust as much as I can and we will see if that holds or not. I'm not painting it because it is on the bottom and nobody is going to see it. We are going to wait 24 hours for the epoxy to dry. I am going to save it in one of my wife's cute sloth Ziploc bags. Video 108 done.